let's see. Oh shit! I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so I gotta keep. What up, what up, what up, what up? We lit. Look, we pulling up to the drive shack. Look at this place. This shit look fancy, bro. Look at this joint. I wish this shit was like, yeah, look at this joint, bro. This joint is so nice. Like, if y'all saw this joint in person, man, I wish it's like my house or my backyard. That's probably better if it was in my backyard. But let's go inside. Hey, man, look. Y'all follow me inside. Come on, come on. Alright, so I got my buddy here. He hold me up tonight. I gotta keep talking so I don't get copyrighted. But you see bitch nigga right, I mean gay nigga, I mean show y'all how nice this place is. Look, these are like the things. And you just hit them off the thing. That girl bad as fuck.
My nigga.
But yeah, you just hit it off the thing, but you each got your own little private thing. And look at all them golf balls. Goddamn. Alright guys, look. So we got Big Daddy up first, man. You ready? Go ahead, cuz. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so I gotta keep.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Alright y'all, so look, we got Mr. Kev 4 times up. Alright, Kev. What we doing, cuz? What you on, Blueface? Alright, we gonna see, cause you know we used to work at the golf course. So let's see. Oh shit! Alright, Kev. It's your 3rd try. Nigga, what? I know y'all saw that. Come on, bruh. Come on, dog. We need one good one. Come on, bruh. Alright, Kev, come on, bruh. Come on. We need one good one. One. Nigga, what? Alright, game over.
We got DJWAN right here. We used to work at a golf course, but we're trash.
Okay, DJWAN. Good, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me right now, but we out in Richmond right now. We out in Richmond at this little drifting event. We came to go karting and stuff, but it was closed. But look at the cars, bro. Look at the cars. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Bruh, this shit crazy lit, dumb lit, niggas drifting and shit. Alright y'all, look, so I'm gonna show y'all some of these cars they got out here. They're not on a racetrack yet, but these shits lit. Look at these shits. This is a Nissan. This shit is basically like the same thing as the fucking, look at these, this shit clean. It's basically the same thing as like a Infiniti G35X. These shit's clean as hell, bro. No cap. I'm gonna show y'all some of these joints. Look at this joint. Woo. Crazy. The inside, oh, they got the steering wheel on the other side. That's crazy. Inside clean. These joints is crazy, bro. Crazy lit out here. No cap. Look at the inside. Crazy. Only for drifting. This joint fire right here, bro. This joint crazy. I like the paint job, especially the letters on the top and all around the car. Got the red seats with the green seat belts. Shit fire, bro. And he got the little GoPro right there. Hey, nice helmet. We got this Nissan Z right here, man. what y'all think. This shit clean. Put a thumbs up in the comment section. Put a lit in the comment section. Put a clean in the comment section if y'all think this joint is nice, bro. No cap, man. All these joints nice as fuck, bro. Yo, look, man. Oh shit, we got a nice Mustang right here. Yo, Kev, what you think that Mustang got under the hood?
Something that'll beat mine.
Sheesh. Yo, y'all, look, I got a question for y'all. Would I be considered white since I ain't got no socks on and I'm wearing Vans and sweatpants? Sheesh. Let me know in the comment section. They all about to load up right now. Look at them. We got these 3. Oh, we got another one. We got 4. We got a 4th. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. Here we come. Here come the Mustang. Yo, look at this. He lit. Let's go, this nigga lit. He ripping it. Woo! This joint right here, this the GOAT. No cap. This the GOAT right here, man. Well, wait till they clear off so he can go on. He heading on. Yes, sir. Hold on. He got. Got this bad boy right here, man. He about to go out. He about to show him what's up, man. Look at the whip, man. No cap. This shit is fucking clean as hell, bro. Look at it.